Take a moment to read the question. So we have to find the value of this definite integral. How do we do this question? Well, the first step would be to write down the given integral, and we can apply some properties of definite integrals. So this integral can now be written down in this form. Over here we have used the property that the integral of f of x from a to b is equal to the integral of f of a plus b minus x from a to b. Also over here a plus b is equal to pi. Therefore, now using another property of trigonometric functions, we can write it down like this. Now we have used the fact that cos of pi minus x is equal to minus cos x. Now let's call this integral also I, because after all that's what we started from. Now adding the two integrals, we can say that 2i would be equal to this integral. Now in the denominator we have 1 minus cos squared x, which is equal to sin squared x, and it's in the denominator, so we can take it up and write down the integral as the integral of 2 times cosecant squared x dx. Now cancelling out the 2's, we can say that I would be integral of cosecant squared x. Now we know the integral of cosecant squared x is negative cot x, so we can write it down in this form, and we also know that cot of 3 pi by 4 is minus 1 and cot of pi by 4 is equal to 1, so we can write it in this form, which is equal to 1 plus 1, and that's equal to 2. So the correct answer is option 1.